Ooh, don't eat it. That's okay. We'll wipe it up.
A third poop today.
They are ducks. Boy, Dylan, they
Just
just
wash
love
your
you.
hands real good afterwards.
Yeah.
I know.
They love you, Dylan. Oh,
I know.
that's funny. They walk over your foot instead of around it, huh?
That tickles so much because like their little claws are like going in my sock and tickling me. His name is Fluffy. I like how they stand on my socks.
Scoot away, they'll follow you.
Tell me when I'm gonna hit something.
Stay right there. You're going to hit the picture. I think they think you're their mom. I'm not
They
kidding.
won't let you go. Watch out. Watch out. That's right there.
What? Hang on, one's on my foot.
Go real fast.
I know.
Don't scare them, though.
I'm in the tunnel.
Okay.
Alright guys, turn around.
Oh my gosh, that's so cute.
Whoa, I saw it.
Did you get a little wet? It's okay. You got to wash